What if everything or most of the things you believed about money was wrong? And if you've ever thought that you can't be successful with money, you've been sold a lie, because you can. So in today's video, I'll be revealing 3 money myths that might be causing you financial stress than benefits. And once you know the truth, you will never look at money the same way again. Myth number 1 is you need money to make money. This phrase is often repeated as if it's a law of nature, I'm telling you. But in reality, it is misleading and discouraging. Now listen to this. According to a study done by Bank of Montreal in Canada, it is only 6% of people that has net worth of over $1 million inherited that money. That means 94% of people with net worth of over $1 million started with nothing. Now, I want to put this out there. It is true that having money can speed up your wealth building, and that is only if you do it correctly by having the right mindset and the right system put in place. But having money is not a prerequisite for starting to create wealth. History and countless real-life examples have proven that wealth creation often begins with knowledge, skills, creativity, and building systems, not large sum of cash. And a good example to explain this is that you can monetize your skill without upfront capital. And you might argue that yes, you need money to learn a skill, but many people are successful financially and they started with just their internet access and the phone they already had. And they had skills that people are willing to pay for, like graphic design, coding, tutoring, and creating digital products. Your time and your expertise are valuable assets, sometimes even more valuable than cash, because they compound when used strategically. The second money myth is investing is too risky. I can't do it. I'm freaking out. You see, this money myth keeps people stuck in financial stagnation. And trust me, I've been there, so I know what I'm saying. Before now, all I know is make money and save money. And this held me back for years until I broke free. Yes, of course, all investments, comes with risk. But avoiding investing is often the higher, bigger risk. I have never seen anyone that has a high net worth that got there only by, the returns they got from their savings account. And this is simply because inflation is always there, to bring down the value of your money down, because your money will lose its purchasing power over time. The truth is, with the right approach, investing can be managed, can be controlled, and made safer by reducing risk than not investing at all. I have so many videos on investing on my channel. Please check them out. They are loaded, not with jargons, but carefully cooked to help you, with your investing journey. And please, if I'm making any sense, can you hit the like button so that others can see this video? Thank you. So the point here is that investing is only too risky if you don't diversify. Number 1. Number 2, if you don't understand what you're buying before investing. But with the right strategy, investing becomes the most reliable way to grow wealth and secure your future. The third money myth is making money is more important than learning how to manage money. This is actually what many people believe. Many people believe that earning more money automatically leads to financial success, but that's not true. Because there are so many high income earners like doctors, lawyers, name them, that lives paycheck to paycheck and they are still in debt. This is because without proper money management skills, high income can vanish even before month ends. The hard truth is that it is not how much you make, it is how much you keep and grow. Let me say that again. It is not by how much you make, it is by how much you save and grow, that is, invest. Since I moved to Canada, I have not been a high income earner, although I'm working towards that by building so many income streams. But even as a low income earner, I am not doing badly. because I learned how to manage my money first. Truly speaking, I have made money mistakes in the past. Budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management create a wealth system. And if you're a high earner and you lack all these systems, you are likely to fall into lifestyle inflation. That is, spending more as you earn and leaving nothing for the future. If you earn $200,000 a year, for example, and at the end of that year you have spent $210,000, you are going backward. And it's so easy, very easy to overspend if you only focus on making money and not learning how to manage money. And at the end of the day, someone earning $50,000 a year but saves and invests maybe like 20% of that money will grow wealth faster over time than someone earning $200,000 and saving nothing. So wealth is built through systems, not just paychecks. So these are the 3 money myths keeping you broke and you might not even know. Please subscribe and like this video if you find value in it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.